Unboxing Daneen would be a total delight for me because this one is definitely my favorite one. This beautiful zinc velvet outfit. We will start unboxing this beauty. Okay, here goes the front center panel. As you can clearly see here, आप देख सकते हो इस पे सब पे पन्नी फिनिशिंग सीक्वेंस और पर्ल वर्क हमारे हुआ है. Oof, and the interesting one is this beautiful intricate one, which is the back of the shirt. ये आप देख सकते हो यहाँ, as in the shoot picture, this is all heavily worked on. You can see the pearls, nakshi, sequins, diamantes, beautifully and intricately arranged over this velvet back piece. ये हो गया जी back panel, and this one is the side panels fabric. As you can see over here, here is the one. इस पे भी पूरा हमारी पन्नी और sequins finishings है with embroidery. Okay, now before we move on, I will go with the laces. You can see this beautifully hand worked on lace with diamantes and the same work, very nicely and intricately done, which is obviously for the neckline. And not just this, here's the hand worked on motif. ये आप देख सकते हो, ये इसी पट्टी के नीचे ये attach हुआ है. This motif is beautifully done to give a very nice and elaborate look to your outfit. ये है जी हमारी घेरे की lace, which is on organza. And this has panni and embroidery all over it with sequins. ये भी आप देख सकते हो in the picture. And now moving on to this is the sleeves fabric. ये आप देख सकते हो. Let me open it for you. Oh, beautiful. आप देख सकते हो sequins, panni, embroidered, finished sleeves. आ गई हमारी, which are quite heavy. Okay, not just this. Let's move on to the next part. ये है जी हमारे pearl finishings in small and big size for the outfit to place them wherever and however you feel like placing them. The dupatta is the beauty of this outfit too. Okay, so here it goes. दुपट्टा जी है हमारे 2 tones of zinc में, Chata Pati में. ये आप देख सकते हो, properly finished with heavy sequin work and these finishings on the side. और not just this, इस दुपट्टे की साथ हमारे पास लेस है जो कि दुपट्टे के दामन पे यूज हो सकती है. And here is the material fabric for the pants, lehenga, sharara, whichever way you want to get it stitched. Enjoy wearing this beautiful Daneen